Hello and welcome to My Career Doctor. My name is Prakash Singh Azad, and these are the online Spartans of My Career Doctor. They joined this coaching. Some joined a few days before, and a very few students joined 1 or maybe 2 months before. Well, we have Sunidhi here also. She has been practicing for, I guess, for last a few months, and she's a school-going student. Anyways, so in this particular video, we are going to talk about the performances, the goals, study, why do they want to learn English, but very first, who they are, I beg your pardon, very first, who they are and from where they are and what exactly they want to do after learning English. So I would like to start with the seniors first, like, hello, Ishika, introduce yourself, please.
Yes, sir. I am Ishika and I am basically Andhra Pradesh, but I live in Delhi. I study in 11th class. That's all, sir.
Thanks a lot, Ishika. Tell us, please. Okay, first is the intro round. So the second senior most student we have here is Yash. Hello, Yash. Introduce yourself, please.
Hello friends, my name is Yash. I study in class 6. I live at the moment I live in Sonipat, Haryana, and I study in Janki Das Kapoor Public School.
Oh, that's great. I was supposed to ask you first, but I asked you at second position. I'm sorry. Yash, fix your camera this way and sit correctly. You did a good job. So, hi, Shunidhi. Introduce yourself, please.
Yes, sir. Hello and everyone. Thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity. I am Sunidhi and I am talking about my introduction. My name is Sunidhi Kumari. I am 9 years old. I live at Patratu in Ramgarh district. I belong to Patna. As far as my qualification is concerned, I completed fifth class and now I'm studying class sixth and I will be gonna to prepare civil service and I respected to administration. So I will become a civil service and as far as my family background is concerned, and I have 5 members in my family and I my father is a serviceman and my mother is a homemaker and I am the eldest one in my family and I have two small brothers and one me and my hobbies to listen music, reading newspaper, dancing, etc. And my strongest point is that I can learn something at my atmosphere, and my weakness point is uh, that I believe in some people as well as fast. That's all. Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot, Sunidhi. Divya,
Hello, sir. My name is Divya Kumari, and I'm basically from Jharkhand, but I'm currently staying in Delhi. I'm a student of class 12, and I'm doing my 12th from commerce field.
thanks a lot, Divya. Altaf, Altaf, please introduce yourself. It's
Hello,
it.
sir.
Yeah.
Am I,
Mhm.
hello,
Go
sir. Am I
ahead.
audible?
Yes, yes, audible.
Yes, sir. As you know, my name is Mohammed Altaf, and I basically belong to Makrana district, Nagaur of Rajasthan states. And currently, I'm living in Jaipur and working in a BPO. As a BPO name is Jumio India Private Limited. That's all about me.
Thanks a lot, Altaf. Yes,
Thank you.
Atul. Atul, please.
Hello, good evening, sir, and good evening to all my friends. I am Atul Singh Madhuri. I am a civil engineer. Currently, I am working in a project management consultancy named Engineers India Limited, which is a Navratan PSC of Indian government. And and I am working on a polymer project of Bathinda, I am working in a joint venture of HPCL and Mitra Energy Limited, a joint venture. And basically I am from Madhya Pradesh, Gwalior, and I had completed my BTech degree from ITM University Gwalior in 2015, and last and I got married around last 2 years back, and I have one son also. Thank
Oh,
you.
great. You have got so many promotions in your life, sir. And in few things, you are better than me. In fact, you have got job in PSU, a qualified engineer, come from the heart of India, married and having a kid, I mean, a son as well.
Yes, sir.
Everything is settled in your life. Why are you still learning this language, sir?
Actually, where I am working, at that place, everyone speaks so good English. Sir. Actually, even there are so many people associated with that project. We attend meeting, we write mail, and even in uh, our team manager, team management, our RCM, all are very good in English, except few exception like me and some of my friends are exceptional that they are not so good in they are not so good in English. But I have no problem that we have to yeah, learn English to show up, but there is some lack of confidence in my personality. Actually, at some places I can't express my view and opinion to someone that who is not able to understand Hindi. So at that place I feel little embarrassed that I could not able to understand him. I could not able to uh, explain my view on some topic to someone that he don't know English, because many foreign person are also associated with that project. So that's why I'm trying to learn the other language, one of the other language of the world.
Okay, thanks a lot, sir. We'll come back. Thank you very much. Shivam,
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. How are you, sir?
yes, please go ahead.
So, my name is Shivam. I'm from Samastipur, Bihar. Currently, I'm doing engineering in computer science, and it's my third year of bachelor's. Apart from my studies, I'm more interested in speaking. I wanted to become a great speaker, great public speaker, as well as I have a vision to means work as an entrepreneur for my country. So yeah, like if I talk about my passion, then I love playing cricket as well as reading books, and yeah, I sometimes I also go for cooking. So these are the passions, and I love talking with the strangers, and yeah, that's all.
Thanks a lot, Shivam. We'll get back. All right, so next we have is Mr. Kumar. Hello, sir. Please go ahead.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, all of my friend. Sir, first of all, thank you for giving such a wonderful platform to us where we are learning from you directly. Sir, basically, I belongs from Uttarakhand and currently I'm living in Noida. I'm an employee of a company. I work in insurance company, and right now the everything is going on online mode. So just doing work from home, sir.
Thanks a lot, sir. We'll get back. Okay, so the next would like to ask here is Radha Kishan. Radha Kishanji, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, friends. First of all, thank you for this opportunity to talk about myself. I am Radhakishan Gite, residing at Kharadi, Pune, and originally I am from Ahmednagar, which is located in Maharashtra. I graduated from Pune University in mechanical engineering background, and currently I am working with Brookhart Corporation India Private Limited as a sales support engineer. And about my hobbies, I am a hardworking and optimistic person. And about my about my strength, I am a hardworking and optimistic person. And about my hobbies, I love swimming and I like to learn a lot of online courses, and in my spare time, I watch movies, news, and spend time with my family. That's all about myself, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Mr. Gite. All right, so we have Ankesh. Ankesh, go ahead, please.
Yes, sir. Sir, first of all, hello everyone and good evening to all of you. My name is Ankesh Chopre and I belong to Nagpur, Maharashtra. And I recently completed my engineering from government GH Rai City College of Engineering in a stream of electrical engineering. And my hobby is playing chess and reading books. And I also believe in doing yoga. We should always do yoga every day. That's all.
Thanks a lot, Ankesh. So the next we
Thank
have
you.
here, all right, Surya Prakash Patel. Surya Prakash Patel, if you are there, yes, he is there.
Hello, I am proper audible, sir.
Yes, yes, Mr. Patel, go ahead, please.
Okay, thank you, sir. First of all, giving me opportunity. My name is Sur Prakash Patel, and right now I am living in Prayagraj district for my study purpose. I am a BSc first year student. This year I have taken admission in Ewing Christian College. That is a autonomous college of Allahabad University, and basically I am from Pratapgarh district, and but for my study purpose, after completed my 10th education, I came here from for doing my further studies. So right now I'm living here, and if I will talk about my hobbies, so I used to prepare daily food for myself. So that's why I used to like cooking. So it's all about my short introduction, sir.
Thank you. Kishore. Mr. Jha, Kishore. Maybe no connectivity proper. Abhishek. Abhishek, go ahead, please.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir, and good evening, everyone. First of all, sir, thanks for giving me this opportunity. And sir, my name is Akshay Pandey, sir. I belong to UP, but basically currently staying in Gurgaon. And I have completed my graduation 2021 with Commerce Standard. And my hobby is playing cricket, listening music, and reading books. And my long-term goal is to get a CMA. So you know CMA, Cost Management Accountant, and this time I'm learning in English because learning English is a global language. And if you feel in any professional paper, so if you don't know in English, so you don't proper feel in paper. And if you go any other country, you don't know English language, and you don't speak to any other person, so you don't travel and don't walk to any person to any other country. So sir, English is a global language. If you don't speak, so you try to speak, you don't feel hesitation, you just try. You don't feel you wrong speak, you right speak, just speak. If you properly speak in a 1 month or 2 month, so immediately you speak a right. That's all, sir.
Thanks a lot. So, hi, Nidhi, go ahead, please. Go ahead, please.
Hi, my name is Nidhi Rawat. I'm from UP, and I born in UP, and I live in UP since my childhood. But basically, I'm from Uttarakhand, and I'm a BA second year student. I'm pursuing my BA from Rohilkhand University. That's it.
Thanks a lot, Nidhi. Okay, so yeah, Rimon is there, Suman is there. Right, Rimon, go ahead, please.
Thank you, sir. First of all, good evening, sir, and good evening, all the students. My name is Riman Sharkar. I come from West Bengal, Kolkata South. I had completed my graduation in political science from Calcutta University, and my hobbies are playing guitar and reading books. That's all, sir. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Raymond. Thanks a lot. Suman, go ahead, please.
Good evening. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. Today, I would like to talk about myself. So basically, I come from, but currently I live in Delhi with my parents since 2007. I am a student nowadays. I'm pursuing my BSc Psychology from Nurse, as well as I'm preparing for UPSC. So that's all, sir.
Thanks a lot, Suman. Kishore, go ahead, please.
Thank you, sir.
Sure, sir. First of all, good evening to everyone, and I would love. It's my pleasure to introduce myself in front of all you people. So, as you know, my name is Kishore Kumar Jha. I'm 20 years old. I'm basically from Bihar, and I am pursuing my graduation in BSc third year from LNMU University. And if I have to, as far as my family member concerned, I have two older brothers, and of course my parents, and my father is an LIC agent. So this is all about myself.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Batsa Party. I guess nobody is left. You all introduce. Shall we proceed? Okay. All right. Okay, let's get it started. And in this second round, I'm gonna ask first question to you, Sunidhi. Short answer दीजिएगा और बहुत serious question है Sunidhi. It has been a long time joining my career, doctor. Don't you feel bored that Papa, forgive me now, I want to do something else, watch Pogo, Tom and Jerry, with Mama, Sas, Bahu and Sajis. Don't you say ever complain to your Papa?
Sir, I can't understand the question. Sir, can you repeat?
Listen this again. It has been long time joining my career, doctor. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Don't you complain your Papa with reaction, please. That Papa, I just want to stop it. Wanna watch Tom and Jerry, Pogo, Sas, Bahu and Sajis with Mama. Don't you ever complain to your Papa?
Sir, sometimes your voice is not coming, so I can't understand.
Okay, thank you. I'll ask you second. My first question to you, Surya Prakash Patel. You said that you are in Prayagraj right now and you are studying. For you, how much English is important? Is it really important for you or not?
Of course, sir. Till 12th standard, I have completed my schooling in Hindi medium student. But when I had given entrance for my college, so everything was in English. And when I had started my classes for my BSc classes, so every lectures and every debates social activities and mostly things in college also are available in English medium. And further studies also, if I want to pursue in my future, so everything in English. So that's why I think that if you anyone want to proceed their further studies, so English will be very important.
Very nice answer and diplomatic as well. Thank you very much. All right. So I am just going to ask to you. We have one new student named Kavita. Requesting you to please share your camera. Then I'll come to know who you are and we'll ask you questions. So please do share. It's the session which is going to be uploaded on YouTube. You know, that's why it is requested to you. Please do share it. So hi, Ishika, you are so young, studying in 8th, 9th, 10th and all. I'm really sorry I said you guys seniors. तो आपको ये सुन के बहुत गंदा लगा होगा कि सर हमको senior क्यों बोल रहे हैं, मजाक कर रहा था आपसे. Do you feel comfortable with these students? They come from across all over India. Do you feel comfortable with them or not? If yes, how? If not, तो कितना डर लगता और किससे डर लगता?
Sir, I'm feeling comfortable, but I have so hesitations for front of camera. so I don't speak loudly.
But you can do better, and we all know South Indians are better in English than North Indians. In fact, Northeast people are better in English than North Indians, right? This is true, and as we see, you are a very brave girl. You can perform better. Normally, it has been noticed in the classrooms when small kids go, they sit like this and they are so feared. They don't ask any question to trainers and all. Do you have such types of situations?
No, sir.
Okay, thanks a lot. God bless you. Yes, when you take online classes, you see all chotus are there with you. You feel comfortable. Kamal hai. Lekin here you see all seniors are there. I know you are very brave. You come from Haryana, but still, uh, tell us the difference between this English class and your academic class. I mean, the class which you take from your school teacher.
Sir, the difference that is the teacher, the academic teacher, it teaches us literature and more things, and she takes tests and all writing work. And the difference from this class is in this class we do the speaking and the grammar and much more activities.
Okay. Although activities are not possible because we are taking this virtual class, but thank you very much, yes, to talk about it. Yes, Mr. Kumar, you are doing job, right, sir? Tell us, please, how do you take time out to fulfill your desire? I mean, you are taking this online class. So how do you manage the time to take this online class? And if you manage, what is your strategy to learn English?
Sir, when I decide to learn English through MCD channel, I was in dilemma. Will I by 100%? Will I give my 100% to attend online classes? Because generally, my office timing is 9 to sometimes 7, sometimes it's 8 o'clock. But most of the time, when our speaking batches start, so sometime I join at 9 o'clock batch, and sometime I join 4 o'clock batch. Simultaneously, I work. I do both works. Means sometime I work in laptop for office work, and sometime I join the our speaking batch. So, so this is the main thing. We have to, if we want to achieve something, we have to utilize our time, and there is no excuses, sir. Actually, if I will give some excuses, I don't have time. I don't. I can't learn through online. So these are just excuses. We have to put in the ground, and we have to utilize the time, sir.
Are you improving?
I'm improving, sir. I'm improving. It's just only now two weeks just passed, but now I'm seeing some improvement. I'm so lucky. We are learning from you, and this is the only benefit of the lockdown. Means the Omicron, that that we can learn directly from you.
Right. And it's great pleasure for me as well. Reality, I'm telling you, I'm earning and meeting with you wonderful people. It's really great experience for me, and this is possible in teaching only, sir. I
Right, sir.
am with you wonderful people from different parts of our country, sometimes from out of India as well, and they come to join this. Right. So thanks a lot, sir. We'll get back to you. So hi, Kishore, are you in village or a city right now?
Right now, I'm in my village. Like, don't you call it village? I'm in Sitamarhi. Actually, my grandma was living there, and he's pursuing his government job. So I was at a present time. Currently, I'm living at Sitamarhi.
Sitamarhi district.
Yes, sir.
City. Very nice. If you can point out the challenges which students face when it comes to learn or develop speaking ability, why 80% people fail to learn speaking English?
Sir, actually, sir, one of the most like major problem that is to afraid to the people. Like we are not just gonna start our speaking practice in front of the people because we think that they are gonna laugh on us and they make fun of ourselves. And that fear we all have in our interior, and we don't want to express ourselves. We don't want to express ourselves in front of the other people. So these are the major problems. And second of all, the main things, that is environment. We can't build a English environment because we our native language is not English. English is just a global language, and our native language, all people have their different native language. Like my native language is Mathli. So in my family there is only a Mathli environment. We all speak Mathli with brothers, with parents. And if we are improvising ourselves by speaking English, then the people taunting us that why you being a stud, why you are showing off yourself. If you are learning English, then just stay on, just be at your own self. Don't express in front of us. Otherwise we will make fun. Otherwise we will not even stand in front of you if you want to, if you are gonna speak English. So these are the major problems that we all faced in our life. And yeah, apart from this we there are certain ways of a certain type of problems that we all faced. Like we don't have a good platform where we could easily get a English environment, get that a warrior mindset to learning anything. So these are the, I think, major problems that I faced a lot in my learning English journey. And so I thought, I wondered that everyone will face in their life at once when they start learning English. So
Thank you very
the
much. Right, right, right. हाँ, बहुत नीक बजलिए. Thank you very much for highlighting the issues and that people face. I can understand you talk about the recent languages and all. Anyways, we have here Altaf, Muhammad Altaf. Hi Altaf, you are doing job in BPO. It means you are a corporate guy. In BPO, there is, passion to show up. The skill, mother tongue influence. You might heard a lot there. They talk about a lot of things and all, communication, big things and all. When you see international call centers employees speaking great English, do you feel अब हमसे ना हो पाएगा, or you feel नहीं मैं करेगा?
No, no, sir. I don't feel like that. But because I don't feel like that, हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा. But I always think that I can learn English because the most of the people in the MNCs, the people before before joining the MNCs BPO, they learned English. After then, they got their promotion. So if you want to live on the normal level, no one will ask you to learn English. But if you want to get promotion, that you have to learn English.
Right, right. It means you have warrior spirit. What exactly is the goal of your life? To stay in BPO, to be TL, supervisor, branch, operation manager, and all blah blah. Do you have this type of goals in your life, or do you want to do something different?
Yes, sir. I have a goal that like I want to join TCS. You know, TCS, Tata Consultancy Company. So if one want to join Tata Consultancy Company, so he has to be fluent in English. That's why I'm improving my English. I want to go Gurgaon, Delhi, Noida, like that.
Thanks a lot, and all the best. God bless you. Shivam, what I have noticed that you are a guy from technical background. You're doing BTech from computer science. But what I have noticed that
Yes.
you are very, very interested in speaking, which is a little difficult in technical background. I think your role models are Satya Nadella, Sundar Pichai, because they are not only great engineers, they are great speakers and communicators. Am I right or wrong? If yes,
Yes.
please.
Yeah, actually, the thing is that, if I talk about my college classmates or my college colleagues, they're mostly interested in technical things. Whenever it comes to present anything, most of them, they lack, they cannot give a good presentation in front of crowds. So I have observed over the time that, if you are good at technical skills, then it's okay. But you cannot grow holistically. I mean, you cannot reach up to the level of CEOs or up to the level of manager. So if you want to reach to that kind of heights, then obviously you need to have the quality of speaking, as well as, yeah, technical degree is also needed. You cannot avoid it, but at the same time you need to have the skills of people handling. I mean, how to work in critical times, how to manage people, how to get your jobs done through people, how to influence your employees. So yeah, like, and also actually few months back I was struggling in English. I was not able to even speak. I was not able to introduce myself in a proper way. So that's why I had to join MCD, and here I got such a great platform, and I boosted my confidence up, and now I'm pretty much good at English. And during that journey, like, I discovered myself, means I found myself that I'm much interested in speaking. And some people also told me that your voice is so good, you should try to enhance your I mean, you should try to have a look at your voice, you should try to go in that uh, field as well. So that's why I'm thinking that if you are good at technical skills and also you are good at public speaking, I mean, you are good at presenting something, then it's great thing for you. You can achieve anything then.
Thank you. There is a global corporate leader named Sanjay Jha. Sanjay Jha. He was the CEO of Motorola, then Qualcomm. Qualcomm is the company, and Qualcomm, something like that, that sells, the network to the BSNL, MTN, and every network companies and all. Have you heard this name, Sanjay Jha, the global corporate leader?
No, actually, sir, I haven't heard about his name.
You can do Google.
I haven't.
He was a global corporate leader like Indra Nooyi. Today we know Satya Nadella, Sundar
Sure.
Pichai. The first global corporate leader from India was Rajat Gupta. He started this journey from India, and then all these leaders like Sundar Pichai, Vikram Pandit, Indra Nooyi, and all they joined this global platform. Wish you
Sure.
all the best.
Okay, sir.
You have great role models. God bless you. We
Thank you
have
so
Ankesh.
much for.
Thank you. We have Ankesh, and it seems to be that he's struggling with camera. He maybe he's in a hurry, but it comes that he's struggling with camera right now, facing camera. So let me go and ask to Ankesh. Hello, Ankesh. Tell us your background, educational background.
Yes, sir. As I told you, I recently passed out from engineering, and I'm searching for a job. My stream is electrical engineering.
Okay. Ankesh, when you go for interviews, obviously we all get rejected. So you also get rejected. Maybe might have been rejected. Tell us honestly, what do you feel when you get rejected? I can't do anything. Or do you think so? It happens in life. We all get rejected at particular places. What do you think that
Yes,
when you
sir.
get?
I don't think about much means. Actually, sir, I also believe in spirituality that tells us who you are, who we are, and why are we here. That thing, if we know that thing, we can't just focus on the things which is means if something bad happen with us, we don't we don't take very serious in our life that things, and we should always think about making ourselves forward, and whatever if something bad happens with us, we just let there that things, and we should always take a look of take a look for in future that the lot of opportunities will come, and we should always trying to improve ourselves a day which is come in our life, and there is a lot of things we should do in our life to get ourselves better at every stage, and we always think about that.
Right. Thank you very much, Ankesh. I am damn sure that you always stay positive and don't lose your hopes because it happens. There
Yes,
is
sir.
a Bill Gates in our country. I mean, his name is Srinivas, the founder of Infosys, I guess. I forget his name. Srinivasan, right?
No, sir. He's the founder of Infosys is Narayan Murthy, sir.
Yeah, Narayan Murthy. Narayan Murthy was rejected at a company named Patni. Patni, I guess there was a company named Patni. He got rejected in I don't know where, but in India he got rejected, and he got rejected many times. Then, with 7 friends, he founded a company named Infosys. First is TCS, and India's second global leading IT company is Infosys after
Yes, sir.
TCS. It happens. In fact, I got rejected many times there in Delhi NCR. From so many companies, I got rejected. When I used to get rejected, I had one feeling only that, oh God, I am good for nothing. This is why I asked, but you stay positive always, and I'm damn sure you must find your way, and that would be better than your past. Yes.
Yes, sir. Thanks for it.
Thanks a lot, Ankesh. All the best. Okay, so we have there Rimon. Hi, Rimon.
Yes, sir.
You have very stylish name. What is the secret?
So literally, sir, I don't know about my name because the name was given by my grandmother. So that's why, sir, I don't know about my name, sir.
Okay, thank you. You want to be a lawyer, am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All lawyers are liars. Comment.
Yes, sir.
How?
Sir, actually, sir, uh, the reality, in the reality, I don't know how they become a liar, how they become a liar when they proceed in front of the judge on the proceed in courtroom or court. I don't know because I haven't yet visited there. So that's why, sir, I don't know about.
Do you accept that we, the human beings, are liars and corrupt since childhood, or we are not?
No, sir. No, sir. We make ourselves corrupt. We make ourselves corrupt, but because of the pressures because of the unwanted pressures that we are getting, we are facing right now. We are facing right now. If I want to do something, if I want to works, if I want to do my work by the someone, then I need to I need to give something. I need to give bribes to someone at the authority person. So says, so he or she, whatever he is sitting in front of me, she will she will pass or would pass the my work as fast as I want. So that's why, sir, we just give some bribes to the opposite party, so that we just give some bribe to opposite party so that he or she will do my work as fast as I want. So that's why, sir.
Thank you very much, Raymond. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Uh, One more technical guy. We have Radha Kishan Gite from Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. Mr. Gite,
Yes, sir.
you are learning English, and of course, you will get a job. You joined this online platform, I guess, before 15 days. You started
Yeah.
learning English here. In this
Yes,
15
sir.
days, how was your journey? You enjoyed, made good friends, meet so many people from and across this country. Uh, what is your experience?
Yes, sir. Sir, I had joined before the 15 days ago, and I enjoyed a lot. There is not only the learning session. I observed that the teaching session of Dilshad sir and Arya sir, during some uh, enjoying sessions also, like sing a song, like there is a tongue twisters. I enjoyed a lot. So sometimes it's very, yes, I enjoyed a lot, sir, and I improved myself. Yes, and I felt that because sometimes the grammar session some grammars I was not clear in grammar. So I think now I can speak with some grammatical uh, uh, correctness. So I think I learned.
Okay, you come from Maharashtra, Mumbai. If you get chance to do job there in Delhi and especially in UP or Bihar, you have three places to do job. Which one would you like to opt?
Sir, I'll choose a Delhi.
And if you have two options only, एक है गड्ढा और
Then,
दूसरा खाई, यूपी और बिहार, what will you do?
then I'll choose UP.
Thank you very much. Okay. All right, jokes apart. God bless you, Radhakrishnan. Anyways, so the next we have few students are left, like Suman Chaudhary. And hi, Suman, you said many times that you want to prepare UPSC. As we can notice, you are very committed. You want to prepare UPSC. We have noticed. Why
Yes, sir.
why UPSC? Is it because your parents, eco pressure, family pressure, or is it because you really want to do something for our society?
Actually, sir, I really want to do something for my society, especially when I will become as a IS post. Then that time I would like to focus on education system, especially in rural area, because sir, government constructed lots of school in village and all the state, but I think quality of education is not good, and and training portion of teacher is also not good. So that time I would like to focus on quality of education and training portion of education, which, because I think when that kind of things will be improved, then quality of education will be improve, and our youth will be get a chance, will be get opportunity to doing anything. So yeah, because of due to this reason I want to join a UPSC, and yeah, that's all, sir.
Thank you very much, Suman. All the best. We have Abhishek. Hello, Mr. Pandey.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir.
Thank you. Abhishek, if you get chance to be the CM of Uttar Pradesh,
Sir,
what will you do for Madhya Pradesh?
sir, first of all, sir, I feel a lot of better, and I'm thinking a lot. So I am CM in a UP, and I'm working in Andhra Pradesh. Sir, repeat it, please.
I said, if you get chance to be the CM of UP, what will you do for MP? अगर आप CM का UP बनेंगे तो MP के लिए क्या करेंगे?
सर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सर पॉलिटिकल पोजीशन देखेंगे. So how to position a political in MP, and how many members like I am CM in BJP and Samajwadi, so how to in MP position in my political point of view. So I think sir, first of all, education is very important. So I am working in education, so rural area is not a good education like a sarkari school and government college. So because all people want to get a job in a school, government school and government college, but he don't think my kids and my children goes out in a school, government school and government college. So this thing I am not creating any person. I'm just do and rural areas, and I'm a lot of things. So education is most important, and I'm doing two education topics. That's all, sir.
Thank you very much, Abhishek. Yash is sleeping. Yash is sleeping. Yash.
Sir, I was cleaning the phone camera.
Okay. All right. So hi, Sunidhi.
Yes, sir.
Tell us about your daily routine. What are you doing nowadays?
Yes, sir.
Fast. 30 seconds. 30 seconds only you have.
Yes, sir. First of all, I wake up at early in the morning, about 5 o'clock. I wanted to fresh up and just I sit back to study is about 5:30 o'clock, and 5:30 o'clock just after that I get up to study about 8:30 o'clock. After that I wanted to fresh up because my online class will be there. Then after that my online classes will run on 8:30 o'clock. After that I will get up to online class about 1 o'clock, and after that I will gonna to lunch, and after that I will gonna to lunch and play fun times, and after that I will go to sleep because I was wake up early in the morning, so I will gonna to sleep. And after that uh, I will gonna to practice my English course, and after that my in the evening time there is class for tuition just like. And after that I will gonna to study, and after I will get up to study about 10 o'clock. After that I will gonna to dinner, and after that 11 o'clock I will sleep. That's all. Thank you, sir.
My God, Sunidhi, even nowadays you get up at 4 a.m. in the morning.
Yes,
5, 5,
sir.
5 a.m.
Yes, sir.
My God, that's really great. Hmm. All the best, Sunidhi. Sunidhi, when I was kid like you, I was two brothers, including me and one sister. I'm the youngest. My brother and eldest was my sister. So in winter season, my father used to wake up us, at 3 a.m. in the morning in winter season. And by lighting up the lantern, I hope you know lantern, लालटेन जिसको हम कहते हैं, तो उसको हम लोग
Yes.
जलाते थे और दोनों तरफ से बैठ के पढ़ते थे. You getting this ना? And
Yes, sir.
that time, चूंकि गांव में उस टाइम में हमारे जमाने में हर जगह गांव में बिजली नहीं होता था बाबू, तो हम लैंटर्न जलाते थे और तीनों भाई बहन बैठ के पढ़ते थे. So that time I used to feel that my father is not good. He's so bad कि वो सो जाते हैं और हम लोगों को उठाकर पढ़ाते हैं. लेकिन आज हमको बहुत अच्छा लगता है सुनिधि कि पापा जबरदस्ती उठा के पढ़ाते थे. तो आपको भी अगर सुबह उठकर पढ़ने के लिए बोला जाता है तो आप भी ये सोचिए कि आपके पापा आपके बहुत बड़े शुभचिंतक हैं जो चाहते हैं कि आपका कल आने वाला कल अच्छा हो. राइट?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
And you are a great person.
Thank you. And what about chai and bread, Sunidhi?
No, sir. I haven't drink tea. I usually use to milk because I like very much milk.
Thank you. Milk is great. Tea is not great. It's not good at all. Right?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा सुनिधि सोच रही हो कि बेचारी की इनको अभी भी याद है चाय बिस्किट. हमको सब कुछ याद रहता है. Anyways, so we have so many students. I have talked so far. So in third round, let's get it started. Right. Mohammad Altaf, Yash. Hi, Ishika. How do you
Yes, sir.
how do you practice at home to improve your communication skill? Do you practice with your parents or
Yes,
don't you
sir. I'm
practice?
speaking. Yes, sir. I'm speaking daily using words, and I'm write thoughts in English 1 and 2 page, and I'm follow audio of English classes, English lessons of foreigners, and I reading books of 1 hour, and after that I make a video shorts of 5 and 10 minutes of English, and after that I talk about my younger brother and questioning my younger brother and telling me. So that's all.
Thank you. One personal question. Do you do yoga? Do you
No,
do
sir.
yoga? Yes?
No, sir. No.
When did you start using spectacles?
What's that?
When did you start wearing specs?
Sir, 2 years ago.
Why? What is the reason?
Sir, studies reason.
Eyesight is getting weak, am I right?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, आपको योगा करिए और योगा में एक आसन होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड शीर्षासन, हेड स्टैंड। नाम सुना है आपने?
No, sir.
हेड स्टैंड, अरे सर पे खड़े हो जाना, सर धरती पे और पैर ऊपर। ये सुना है आपने, देखा है आपने?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, अभी आप चूंकि बहुत छोटे हैं ना, तो आपको योगा में ग्लैमर नहीं होता है ना, तो इसीलिए हम लोगों को अट्रैक्ट नहीं करता है। बट ट्रस्ट मी, अच्छी चीजों में ग्लैमर नहीं होता है। जो चीजें हमें सही डायरेक्शन में ना ले जाए, उन चीजों में ग्लैमर होता है, राइट? तो आपसे मेरी एक सलाह होगी बाबू कि आप अगर चश्मा हटाना चाहते हैं ना, अगर कोई और रीजन हो तब तो दिक्कत है, लेकिन अगर सिर्फ आई साइट वीक हुआ है आपका पिछले कुछ वर्षों में, तब तो ये हट सकता है। अगर परमानेंट है तब दिक्कत आ सकती है, उसका सॉल्यूशन इज दिस परमानेंट और पिछले कुछ सालों में आंखों में कमजोरी आई है? डोंट फील शाई एंड डोंट वरी। मैं आपको जलील नहीं कर रहा हूं और कोई भी बच्चा आपसे कुछ नहीं करेगा, ये आपके लिए अच्छा होगा फ्यूचर में।
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, तो आप योगा करिए, ये सब ठीक हो। चश्मा पहनना इज नॉट बैड, wearing glasses not bad. When I was doing job in corporate houses, तो बाबू मेरे आंख में भी चश्मे थे, और मैं जब डॉक्टर के पास जाता था तो बोलते थे 1 नंबर का है, अब 2 नंबर का लगाइए, आंख पहले से और ज्यादा ये हो, डराते थे। तब मैं खुद डॉक्टर बन गया बाबू, माई करियर डॉक्टर, समझ गए? और मैंने चश्मा फेंक दिया और योगा मेडिटेशन करने लगा, और योगा मेडिटेशन कर करके मैं अच्छा महसूस करता हूँ। अभी ठंड में तो मैं उतना कर नहीं पाता हूँ, और मुझे कुछ नहीं आता था योगा में, तो मैंने बहुत कुछ सीख लिया योगा में। हैंड स्टैंड, मयूरासन, ये वाला आसन, वो वाला आसन, शीर्षासन, ये सब सीख के जैसे जैसे मुझे बहुत अच्छा फील हुआ योगा से, बहुत अच्छा। अगर मैं अभी तक नौकरी कर रहा होता तो मेरे इसमें दर्द हो रहे होते, कमर में दर्द बढ़ने लगे थे, मेरे आंखों में दर्द बढ़ने लगे। उसका भी उपाय है, अगर आप नौकरी करते हैं तो कुछ एक्सरसाइजेज होते हैं सर्टेन, अगर आप वो करें तो 40-50 साल तक आप बिल्कुल फिट रहेंगे। और अगर आप कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे तो 40 साल के बाद आपको प्रॉब्लम होनी शुरू हो जाएगी, ये सच है।
Yoga is very important.
हाँ, सो योगा इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, और ये जरूरी है खासतौर से आपके लिए। आप करिए हेड स्टैंड से, दिमाग के लिए, सर के लिए और आंखों के लिए हेड स्टैंड इज ग्रेट।
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
थैंक्स लॉट। एंड आप एक वीडियो बना के हमें हेड डायरेक्ट मत कर लेना, गर्दन टूट जाएगी। इसका ट्रिक
Yes, sir.
गर्दन टूट जाएगी, ये भी मत करना। आज ही रात में जाके अब तो मैं सर को दिखाऊंगी, 5 दिन के बाद चढ़ा बेचारा गर्दन टूट गई, अब मम्मी तुम्हारी मुझ पे केस कर देगी। एनीवेज, राइट, ओके, अंकेश।
Yes, sir.
Right. My question is to you that when it comes to speak in English, how much difficulty do you face?
Sir, before 15 days from when I joined this class, before that I feel some hesitation while speaking with anyone, and I also not have that much confidence to speak very well. And I think what is the problem of that, that I not before that joining that class, I never had speak much in my life English. That's why when I joined that class, I used to speak with the people, with the live audience, and with that effect, I improved a lot, and I feel very confident now. And I think it happens with practice. We can achieve anything because the chess is also teaches us that in a way, then the more you practice, the more you get in your life, whatever it is. That's all.
Very confident you are, Ankesh. Very nice. Hello, Altaf.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Altaf is there? Yes, Altaf, are you there? He's struggling with network issue. Anyways, Kishore. Hi, Kishore, tell us please, what do you want to do in future?
Sir, your voice is actually breaking up. I can't hear you properly. So can you repeat? Come up again.
Yes. Hi, Kishore, what do you want to do in future?
Sir, as I already told you that like I want to be a part of the corporate TCS, of course, or it could be any multinational companies which provide me a beneficial, which is actually beneficial for me, and the reason because I was totally attracted towards the personality of the MNC's worker, like the person who is working there, and their mindset. They because it's not come just overnight. They are built their warrior mindset to challenge every upcoming situation in their life. So I just want to be like them, and I would love to work as a MNC in MNC's companies. So that's why I'm also like the learning English is the main priority is to learn English is of course to be a part of MNCs.
Okay, so it seems to be you are very confident, and of course, the way you talk and you say that, of course, you want to get a job in corporate house and your dream job to get in TCS, of course. Thank you very much, Kishore. All the best.
Thank you.
Right. Yash. Hi, Yash is there.
Yes, sir.
Yash is very comfortable.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Yash, you want to be आपकी मेरी आवाज इको हो रही है तुम्हारी तरफ से प्रॉब्लम है यश प्लीज
Sir, there is no problem from my side.
Okay. So Yash, right, I have talked to you many times. You said that you would like to be an IAS and serve the nation and all. Who is your role model and why?
Sir, my role model is Sir APJ Abdul Kalam, sir. Sir, I was inspired from him I want to be a IAS because he had also made a great record for our country. I also want to do something for my country.
APJ Abdul Kalam is really your role model?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. अगर बच्चे महापुरुषों के नाम लेने लगे और उनको अपना रोल मॉडल मानने लगे तो समझ जाना कि बच्चों में सद्बुद्धि अच्छी है, क्योंकि यही महापुरुष ओरिजिनल हीरोज हैं। आजकल कुछ लोगों ने जो हाईजेक कर रखा है हीरो की इमेज, उन लोगों की बात हम नहीं करते। थैंक यू वेरी मच यश, गॉड ब्लेस यू।
Thank you. You're welcome, sir.
Hi, Rimon. We have so many great lawyers from West Bengal, starting from Chitranjan Das. During the time of Motilal Nehru, Pandit Motilal Nehru, there was a lawyer from Bengal named Chitranjan Das. And so many lawyers from there. In fact, the great Swami Vivekanand ji, original name Sri Narendranath Datta, was a lawyer before he joined spiritual world. Keeping all these things in mind, his life got transformed completely. He was living a lavish lifestyle, very hi-fi. In fact, his father, Mr. Datta's, Swamiji's father was also a lawyer. But suddenly, there was a great crisis in his family after his father getting died. He made uh, I forget the name of that great person, the guru of Swamiji, his guru, and he changed the materialistic life to a spiritual life. Keeping all these things in the mind, you are a mature guy. It means I'm not misguiding you. You can understand what is right or wrong. What is the goal of yours?
Sir, my goal is to become a litigation lawyer. Apart from this dream, I really want to do something for for myself only, because I am here, so that's why the everything could be everything would be happening with me, everything happening with me. If I don't take any risk about with my life, then I wouldn't get anything, I think so. So if you want to achieve or accomplish something, so that's why you need to work hard. You need to work hard for your dream, or for your work, what you want to do. And of course, I really love Swamiji. I really love Swamiji, and you just mentioned about his name, about uh, Ramakrishna. He was. Sorry, sir.
Ram, Ramkrishna Paramhans.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ramakrishna Paramhans. So I got a chance. When I was 12 or 14 years old. I got a chance to read on Swami Vivekanand Institute of, which is situated in near my house. So I was really influenced by his this person, because his whole life, after died his father, his whole life about struggle, and how he had overcome with apart from his original or materialistic life. He overcome and become a very spiritual man. And he was a great knowledge about all the things, and basically in spirituality. So I learned many things, but I really want to precise one thing about this. If you got a very great teacher, if you got a very great masters of this, you choose your path. You choose your path, who make sure make you s- who make you sin the actual path for you. So I am really impressed by the Swami Vivekanand and Paramahansa sir, and you also, sir, because you are a mentor for us. And that's all, sir.
Thanks a lot, Babu, and God bless you. All right, so we
Thank
have
you, sir.
talked to so many students in third round, and the next we have there is Mr. Kumar. Hello, sir. I didn't talk. It was one round I had, interaction with you. Right.
Right, sir.
I was asking, how do you manage your time? My next question to you is, learning English really interesting or boring? You are learning because you are enjoying, or you are learning because the pressure of the corporate culture?
No, sir, I'm learning because I am enjoying, sir. And sometimes, yeah, it's true. There is no other option if we don't speak English in our corporate culture. I think we can't survive for a long time. English is the main global English has become the global language. If we work in any small company, in any small corporate house, we have to speak. If we are just speaking in Hindi, the people just ignored us. I feel same thing with me so many times. When I was not when I was not speaking English well, the people just start to ignore, and uh, they become their friend. As if two persons are speaking well, they both are friends. If one is not speaking, they just ignored him. So yes, sir.
Right, right, right. It happens. Thanks a lot, sir, to talk about it, and you talk things honestly. One more student had just joined named Aman Agrawal. Aman, I would not ask why did you join this late, but yes, I would request you to please do share your camera so that I can put questions to you. Aman, if you are listening to me, please do share the camera. Anyways, right. So we have talked to Kishore. Yeah, Shivam, hi. Uh, you see these students, they joined different question I'm asking to you 15 days before. You see their confidence, level, you see how much confident they are and their performance. Keeping all these things in mind, what is your opinion about these guys? I mean, these online warriors, Spartans.
To be honest and to be precisely, this all seems to be very confident. Actually, like if I talk about some of guys, they are really. I mean, you were saying that they just joined, I think, 15 days or 20 days before, but still there seems to be very confident. So that's really great. And the thing is that the only thing that why we lack in English with Biharis people or UPs, because we don't have such kind of environment. But if we if we gets that kind of environment, then it becomes very easy for us, and it's just a language. If you are committed, if you are determined, then it's not a like a kind of rocket science. You can easily learn this language. And yeah, all of them seems to be very confident, and they are really putting their hard work. And I wish all of them very best luck. And yeah, of course, everyone will conquer this challenge.
Thank you very much. When Shivam said we Bihari people, yes, this is fact. Because of lack of environment, the people, and Shivam, this is not the problem in
Yeah.
Bihar. You are in West Bengal right now, and normally we know that the people of West Bengal in English they are better. They are better in literature because we have so many people in literature from West Bengal. But still, there is no environment of English in West Bengal. Rimon is there from West Bengal. If I am wrong, he can tell me. I have visited Maharashtra, I have visited
Mm.
Rajasthan, Haryana, so many places. There is no environment. So people
Yes, yes.
like you and I, this is the responsibility of people like you and I to take care of those who are behind us and make them strong. Then it is possible. When you get, let's suppose you come from
Sure.
Samastipur Singhia, I know that is already a developed village that is somehow equivalent to a
Yes.
city. तो देयर शुड अच्छा
Yes.
हम लोग डेवलपमेंट का मतलब पता है क्या समझते हैं दो मॉल खुलवा दीजिए तीन सिनेमा हॉल खुलवा दीजिए चार अच्छी अच्छी दुकानें खुलवा दीजिए जावेद हबीब को वहां पे बैठा दीजिए बाल काटने के लिए तो हम लोग समझते हैं कि अरे वाह वो शहर तो डेवलप हो गया उल्टा दिमागी हम लोगों का उल्टा हो चुका है डेवलपमेंट का मतलब ये होना चाहिए
Yes.
अच्छा इन जगहों पे सरकारी स्कूल खटाले में सरकारी अस्पताल कोई पूछ नहीं रहा तो विकास का मतलब ये होना चाहिए कि वहां की व्यवस्था अच्छी हो कानून औरतों को आजादी हो औरतों का शोषण ना हो सब अच्छे से रहे सरकारी स्कूल की हालात बहुत अच्छी हो स्वास्थ्य की सुविधा अच्छी हो लेकिन हमारे दिमाग में सब कुछ उल्टा डाल दिया है मीडिया ने दिस इज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इट इज हैपनिंग और आपका जो गांव उसमें या हमारा गांव है या किसी का भी गांव है यही चीजें इसी के पीछे हम लोग लगे रहते हैं एंड वी अंडरस्टैंड
Yes,
द
guys.
मीनिंग ऑफ डेवलपमेंट
Yeah. And our priority has been completely shifted nowadays. People are not interested in education due to smartphones. Like nowadays, everywhere everyone has access to a smartphone. So we are we are more inclined towards getting a lot of entertainment. We always look for the shows or comedy rather than spending our time on education. That's why it is happening nowadays. And still, like, one thing I would like to mention here, that those people who suppose if somebody is trying to learn this language English, and if they are in the beginner zone, means obviously they will face a lot of problems. But if you are good, if you are better than them, if you have already learned this language, then you should try to encourage that person rather than discouraging them. I have seen this kind of, like, I have faced this kind of experience when I was a beginner. Like my friends used to bully me, they used to call me like, "Hey, where are you coming from? Like you seems to be very, like a kind of mannerless person." So it was a very, like it was a bit of taunt for me. So that we should try to encourage those folks who is trying to learn English, or who is really putting their effort, because this is not our native language. We are just trying to acquire this language. So yeah, together we can make anything happen. So yeah, we should try to cooperate with people's. We should try to help out others.
Right. Thanks a lot, Shivam. Yash, it's sleeping. Yash,
Thank you
it's
so much.
sleeping. Yash, it's sleeping.
Sir, I am not sleeping.
Oh, thank you very much. Anyways, I was checking you are still there or not. अच्छा, ठीक है. Aman, are you there? Aman Agrawal, are you there? Maybe network issue. Okay. Yes, Aman, unmute. If you are there, unmute and talk about your performance. Anyways, we have in third round, Suman is left, Abhishek Pandey is left, and I guess Radha Kishan Gite is also left. Hi, Abhishek. Tell us the difficulties you face while learning English. What are the difficulties that you face while learning English?
Sir, I have feel a lot of hesitation in some time ago. So I have completed my graduation in UP board, and I am came in here Gurgaon. So I had give a lot of interview, and I have rejected. So I have feel a lot of hesitation because my English speaking is not well. So the HR and the interviewer just checking how to speak and your hesitation and your improvement. So if you don't speak English, and then he had rejected for you. And I have a lot of feel for hesitation. So then I'm joining this platform, and because English is a global language, so if you want to get a job and in a private sector, if you don't speak, so you don't to get a job in any. So I am a accountant, and I have feel sometimes ago, like 15 days ago, I have feel a lot of hesitation and don't speak to any other person. And this time I don't have feel agitation, and I am talk to any other person like don't think to you speak wrong or right, then speak, and immediately you just few days times, so you speak loudly, and then you proper way. So that's also.
Thanks a lot, Abhishek. Yes, hi. If Altaf is there, unmute on audio mode. You can talk to me. Altaf, are you there? Altaf, unmute and talk to me, please. Not an issue, Aman. I can understand that is not even in your hand. I can understand you are so excited, but unfortunately, because of network, you can't.
Hello. Yes, sir. I'm here.
Yeah, Altaf, hi. I understand you have warrior spirit. This is why after having so many time network issues, you come back and try your best. Right.
Yes, sir.
So, Altaf, tell us the difficulties you face while learning English.
As the main difficulty that I'm facing is memorizing of vocabulary. Sir, it is very difficult for me. The first day I remember it, the 10 to 20 words. The second day I'm not able to memorize them, and I'm not able to use them in the sentences. And the second thing is that there are lots of video on the YouTube that after watching that I get perplexed that someone say use this app, and someone say start writing diary, someone say use this app. If you don't use this app, you will not able to speak English. So I'm totally confused, which app should I use, or do I really start writing a diary? I don't think it is useful, sir.
That's correct. We can talk separately about this, but one thing is very clear that you are a very confident guy. Right.
Yeah.
So do not give up ever or any time in your life. Keep trying and find out the best way which can help you. If you talk about vocabulary there you lack, then I would suggest the one thing that keep reading. Reading is the exercise that can help to make your speaking stamina strong, help you to learn new vocabs, and that is the best way to develop words. Start reading means read those books which attracts you to read. Like if you are interested in entertainment books, if you are interested in fiction stories, if you are interested in science technology, whatever you are interested, cricket, sports, buy that kind of stuff and start reading. Underline the difficult words, find out from the dictionary. I can understand this is little difficult, lengthy and lethargy, but don't worry. If you have interest, I'm really concerned about it, that if you are interested, then you must pay attention and have time to find out these words from the dictionary.
Right, sir.
Right?
Thank you. Right, sir. Right,
Thanks
sir.
a lot. All
Thank
the
you.
best. Thanks a lot. Right.
Okay. Thank you.
Almost, I have talked to all of you in third round also. Suman, did I talk to you?
Sir, I
No, sir.
Okay, Radha Kishan and Suman. इसके बाद में लास्ट में एक बहुत अच्छा राउंड होने वाला है. So I'm requesting all of you to please have patience. Yash, it's sleeping. Yash, it's sleeping.
Sir, I am not sleeping, sir. I am bored.
मैं तुमको जगाता रहता हूँ वरना तुम पक्का सो जाओगे. ऐसे तो तुम बैठे हुए हो. देखो मैं अगर ऐसे बैठ के बात करूं तो कितना मजा आएगा. यश, right.
Sir,
Anyways, Suman, after My Career Doctor online classes, whom do you talk in English and how do you talk? Are you serious to learn this language or just joking?
No, sir. Actually, I'm serious for this language, and whenever I try to speak in English, then that time I also enjoyed. And yes, sir. Really, I want to learn English because not for my success, because whenever I talk to any person in English, then that time I feel good, and yeah, that due to this reason I want to learn English, and yeah, I enjoy so much whenever I talk
Whom
to
do you talk?
in English.
Whom do you talk in English after online classes? Whom do you talk in English? Who is your speaking partner? I want to know.
Yes, sir. Every day I talk to one of my friend, and by the help of that person, I improving my spoken. And yeah, and apart from that person, every day I attend English practice classes on this platform, and yeah, that session is very beneficial for me because in that session, we every day we discuss lots of topic, and sometimes we also discuss on a random topic. So I think random topic is very beneficial for me because whenever we try to talk at random topic, then that time our thinking mentality will be increased, and that time we try to think in English, and we try to make sentence in English. So I think yeah, that is good for me. Yeah, that's all, sir.
Thanks a lot, Suman. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Hi, Radha Kishan ji.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thanks.
Yes, sir.
Radha Kishan ji. Sir, you are living in Mumbai or where?
Pune. Sir, I am living in Pune.
Okay, Pune. Pune is very hi-fi, advanced city, a metro city of our country, and their English is very common there in Pune city, not in villages I'm
Yeah.
talking about.
Yes,
Keeping all these things in mind, what do you think in future? Are you gonna live in Pune permanently, or you will get back to Ahmednagar, do something there in Ahmednagar?
yes, sir. Now, my current goal is I grow further with the corporate sector, and at least in next 10 15 years, I will live in Pune, and I'll prefer to live in Pune because if you are part of the metro city or the developed city, so you can learn so many things, and your son and your next generation also get the environment to showcase themselves and to learn and adapt the new and digitalization of the current competitive world. So I think I will prefer nowadays. But in next plan, I will refer my village and my native place, Ahmednagar. But
Thank
I
you very
think
much.
the Pune is a good city. Yeah, I love it.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Radha Kishan. All the best, Babu. God bless you. In the last
Thank
round, I'm going to ask one question to everybody. सबसे एक ही क्वेश्चन रहेगा. मैं नाम लूं, आप बोल अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताइएगा. So I'm going to start that with Abhishek. Abhishek, in 30 seconds, tell us your experience at this online platform.
Sir, online platform is very helpful in our life, and if online platform is not here, so I'm not learning in any language, so like English. So online platform is not available, so I'm not learning to any language like any subject, and online platform is very helpful in our life, and because this is a technical form, and it's very helpful, and this is not available. So how to join in my career doctor platform, and how to learn in English. So this is the very important in our life and ours life. So that's also.
Thanks a lot. Kishore.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I have a very good experience with the MCD. We can't ignore this fact that we are not getting 100% efficiency through online classes. But yeah, dude, like in this panic situation, we don't have other option apart from this online session. And it's very lovely to be a part of the debate, and like you should have to stand for an advantage or disadvantage side, and you should have lay out your perspective that what type of what you think about that particular advantage, pros or cons. So it's really great, and I'm still improving, and it's really I think I am privileged to join to be a part of MCD, and really glad, sir.
Thank you very much. In the last, I'll tell you my experience. अंत में मैं अपना experience बताऊंगा, वो भी सुन लीजिएगा. Mr. Kumar,
Absolutely.
hello sir.
Dilshad sir was absolutely incredible person, and of course, absolutely like great human being. So I would love to join his session as at most.
Thanks a lot, Kishore. Thanks a lot. Yes, sir. Mr. Kumar.
Sir, online platform is a really wonderful platform where we can interact with you. Just if we would have not online platform at this time 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock, we cannot we cannot imagine if we would have if we are not learning online. So this is not possible at 9 p.m. We read at this time. So this is the very effective platform, and you are doing very great job, sir. We are learning from you. I've been watching your video since 2-3 years ago, and yeah, so it is very helpful for me, sir.
Thanks a lot, sir. All the best. Bless you. Aman, I can understand you are not able to speak because of network issue. Ishika, if you are listening, go ahead please and share your experience with My Career Doctor. I'm in this online platform. She is facing network issues. Yash.
Yes,
Yash,
sir.
yeah.
Sir, my experience for this online platform is good, sir, because I learned many things, sir, grammar, sir, vocabulary, and sir, many things. It has a benefit also, and the benefit is at the online platform, we can learn this English language from any part of the country, and it is very helpful for us to. It is very helpful to us, and that's all, sir.
Thank you very much, Yash. Hi, Sunidhi. Go ahead, please.
Yes, sir. First of all, sir, I think that first of all, my experience is very grateful, and just like MCT platform is very wonderful for me and for all of you. And I haven't seen any type of any type of English person like you, and every person should like you as a great person. And in whole world many people speak many languages, but English is a like a language, and my experience is very wonderful to this platform. That's all, sir.
Thank you very much, Sunidhi. God bless you. Raymond, come on.
Yes, hello, sir.
Raymond.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes.
Sorry, sir, because due to some internet issues, I cannot turn on my camera, sir.
ठीक है, not an issue. Go ahead, please.
Okay, so it is really good. It is really good about my. If I talk about my experience, it is really good. When I joined on first December previous year, I at that time I didn't feel comfortable. I didn't feel comfortable because in this platform we got several students who comes from across the India, and at that time I really at that time I was really feeling very nervous how to compete with those students who come from across the India. But Arya sir gave me assure that if you want to change your personality, if you want to improve yourself, then you have to devote yourself to sir or madam or mentor or whatever. I did that thing, and Arya sir gives us really great room for us where we can conversate with all the very intelligent students who come from all across the Indian. And you also, sir, you takes our grammar classes from where we got a benefit, where we get benefit. And I am not very familiar with the Dilsat sir, because sir, I took my class at 11 a.m. or 4 p.m. So that's why, sir, I don't know about Dilsat sir, but I really familiar with you and Arya sir, and my experience is really good, sir. And right now I'm feeling very comfortable. Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot, Raymond. All the best and God bless you. God bless you. Next we have Suman. Hi, Suman. Go ahead, please. Suman, go ahead.
According to me, yes, sir. According to me, sir, online platform is very good because you know, sir, in pandemic we can take our classes by the help of online channel, and we can connect to every kind of person who belong to different places and different state of our India, and we can teach to different kind of teacher. And if I talk about my experience regarding this platform, then this platform is very beneficial for me. And when I joined this platform, then that time I have a lots of hesitation and scared, you can say scared, because that time I think that if I will do any mistake in my spoken, then that time I think that a person will be laughing at me, but but after joining this class, I got confidence, and if I talk about practice session, which was organized by all the teachers, and if I talk about Dilshad sir, then Dilshad sir is a good person, and his behavior is also good. And whenever I attend practice Dilshad at 10 a.m., then I feel comfortable, and yeah, all the teachers are very good and supportive. And if I talk about Prakash Singh Azad sir, then he is a good person, and his behavior is also good. And they teach us not only speaking, they also teach us many things which related to our life. So I feel really happy when I joined MCD classes. So yeah, that's all, sir.
Thank you very much. Radha Kishan
Yeah,
ji.
thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, and God bless you. Radha Kishan ji.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. The first benefit of this online classes, sir, we can continue these classes in current pandemic situation or this first third wave. I think this is the most of a benefit nowadays. And also another is we can join the MCD from anywhere from India or any state. And if I will prefer offline classes, so I cannot join from Ahmednagar or Pune city of the MCD. And my experience is very good of IMCD, because before joining the classes, I can't speak with in front of public or in front of camera. So I think it's good. And if you are, in my opinion, if you are student, and if we ignore this pandemic situation, I will suggest the student of the below the HSC or the middle class, the offline also good to improve our body language, to improve our personality, and to improve our the pronunciation and skill. Because I saw, sir, your videos on YouTube of offline classes in a gardens, in a halls, and so I also saw to enjoy a lot. So yes, I think nowadays online is very good. And if you are a working person, you can choose any slot in your free zone, and you can join the MCDs. And also one more benefit I want to share with all of guys, it's a very the MCD provide a best platform with very reasonable and in very low cost. Because I also visited in so many sites like Info Edge, Fluent Live. There are the very high cost with the same media. And I was also attended one trial class with Fluent Live. So there is very high I think high fees they mentioned there. So I think, sir, you provide a good platform to us with very low cost. I think this is the benefit to us. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. And the way of teaching of them and Arya sir is very good. And yes, you are the great. Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू। राधा किशन जी, हम भी जानते हैं पुणे की जो एवरेज फी है वो 4-5 हजार रुपया मंथली है। एक महीने की जो पुणे की फी है वो 4 से 5 हजार रुपया है। ये बात आपको तो मालूम होगा, लेकिन बाकी बच्चों को नहीं मालूम होगा, क्योंकि इनको पुणे के बारे में नहीं मालूम है।
Sorry to interrupt you, sir, but yeah, actually I was totally conquered with the Radha Kishan Gite point, whatever he said. Like he's like totally reliable. I can totally rely, because there are lots of institute who is like taking whose fees is so cost, so we can't afford to get into that institute. So yeah, I was totally like I can relate myself with the Radha Kishan point, whatever he said. So yeah, that's true.
Right. Yeah, but I can't say they may be 10 times better than us. They provide better facilities. That is a different thing. But फी के लिए मैंने सिर्फ ये चीज कहा कि पुणे में आपके, चंडीगढ़ में, मुंबई में, दिल्ली में कुछ इंस्टीट्यूट्स, दिल्ली में हर तरह के इंस्टीट्यूट्स है, सस्ते भी महंगे भी, लेकिन चंडीगढ़ और पुणे में, चूंकि आप जाएंगे ना जो बड़े शहर हैं जहां बाहर जाने का क्रेज ज्यादा है, खासतौर से चंडीगढ़ में, कनाडा जाने का, तो वहां फी आपको नॉर्मल क्लासेस बहुत ज्यादा फी लेते हैं और लोग देते भी हैं क्योंकि सबको बाहर जाना होता है. This is why they pay a lot. Right. Radha Kishan Geteji, thank you very much. But I God blesses you a lot that yes, you must learn it and help others. Thank you. Ankesh Chopdeji,
Thank you,
you
sir.
were smiling very first. Before 5 minutes, you were smiling, right? Chuckling, right? आपको मैंने पहली बार हंसते हुए देखा, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good. Your experience at My Career Doctor.
Yes, sir. I also want to tell you that it was a very great experience, and during that predicament of COVID-19, this is a very good platform for learning English, to learn to speak English, and we also, I think, I also get some lot of knowledge from a lot of great people here, and I also feel before I joined that classes, and from till now I feel very confident, and uh, I have to tell you that I feel that I took a very good decision to join the MCT for getting learn to speak English, and I also want to I would like to tell you that I also want to appreciate the Arya sir, how they deal with us, and how the way they are always try to feel confidence in us, and it is very great to have here, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot, Ankesh. God bless you. The last we have is Altaf. And after that, I'll tell you my experience with you guys. Hi, Altaf. Altaf.
Yes, sir.
Please share your experience with My Career Doctor.
Yes, sir. I have been following My Career Doctor from last 1 year. So I think it's a very good channel in all over the YouTube channel, and I've learned a lot of things from the this My Career Doctor. Apart from this, I also learn about career things